Hello class 6, welcome to your grammar class. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your syllabus. The name of the chapter is sentence. A sentence is a group of words in a meaningful setup or arrangement. Means a sentence could be a sentence only if it is arranged systematically. Any group of words could not be called sentence. किन्हीं भी शब्दों को आप इकट्ठा करके sentence नहीं बना सकते हैं. It will become a sentence only if it is arranged properly. Now there are two parts of a sentence. Number 1, subject. Number 2, predicate. For example, the boy is playing. The boy is subject and is playing is predicate. That part of a sentence which contains noun and pronoun is called a subject and the rest of the sentence is called predicate. It often starts with a verb. There are some examples of it. For example, number 1, the boy is playing. Number B, Ram and Shyam are brothers. C, they are going to their school. Sheila and her doll is here. The dog is barking. The girl from the window is waving. Sita is a pretty girl. Go through this exercise and write down in your notebook. Now there is another exercise. Rearrange the following words to make a meaningful sentence. As I have told you earlier, grouping any words could not be called sentence until it is not arranged systematically. There are some words: is, east, rises, the sun in. This could not be sentence. It will become a sentence when we will arrange it like this. The sun rises in the east. Second, stitch 9 saves a time in. This will become a meaningful sentence when we rearrange it like a stitch in time saves 9. Number 3, wins steady, slow and the race. It will become a sentence when we rearrange it like this. Slow and steady wins the race. Number 4, those help themselves, God who help. Now rearrange it like this. God help those who help themselves. Number 5, Independence falls day on 1947, 15th August. The proper sentence will be Independence Day falls on August 15th, 1947. Go through this exercise and write down in your notebook. Next part of the chapter is kinds of sentence. Mainly there are 4 kinds of sentence. Number 1, declarative or statement. It is a simple sentence. A declarative sentence merely makes a statement. For example, I study in class 6th. Number 2, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command, order or request. For example, sit down or give me your pencil please. Number 3, interrogative sentences. It asks a question and ends with a question mark. Example, what is your name? Number 4, exclamatory sentences. It expresses a sudden emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. For example, well done, you won the match. Write down this exercise in your notebook and learn it. There is another classification of sentences also, which is affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences are called positive and negative sentence shows the something not happening. For example, affirmative sentence, I am a boy. Negative sentence, I am not a boy. Affirmative sentence, are you a student? Negative sentence, are not you a student? The next exercise is change the following sentences into negative. Number 1, do you have your homework ready? The negative form will be like this. Don't you have your homework ready? Number 2, are you ready to go? Negative form will be, aren't you ready to go? Number 3, can you remember my name? The negative form will be, can't you remember my name? Number 4, have you learned your lessons? The answer will be, haven't you learned your lessons? Number 5, do you respect your elders? The negative form will be, don't you respect your elders? So, this was your first chapter of English grammar. Write down all these exercises in your notebook and learn them. Thank you. Bye-bye.